Itchy business, the double-edged scratch of skin defense. If you thought scratching was just an uncontrollable itch, think again. According to a research paper led by Andrew W. Liu from the University of Pittsburgh, scratching has a pivotal yet paradoxical role in both amplifying allergic skin inflammation and boosting defenses against certain microbial invaders. It's an itch that scratches back. The study dives deep into the itchy underworld of skin reactions, revealing how scratching, typically viewed as a minor annoyance or a cringeworthy bad habit, plays a significant role in allergic inflammation via something called neurogenic mast cell activation. Simply put, when you scratch an itch, you're not just giving your skin a gentle massage, you're also activating a bunch of tiny warriors, mast cells, underneath. These cells, ignited by itch-inducing neurons, release inflammatory substances that say, "Let's get scratchy." A little background first. Mast cells, often known as the firefighters in our body's immune response, are easily activated by allergens and irritants. They're responsible for those infamous hives and itchy rashes. But in the latest revealing twist, scratching doesn't just make your skin redder and angrier, it can actually help keep certain bacteria, like Staphylococcus aureus, a common skin pathogen, at bay. It pretty much serves as nature's handy two-in-one rubbing and scrubbing service. The scientific sleuths behind this study used genetically modified mice equipped with special neuron-modulating abilities. They gracefully managed to suppress scratches. Who knew mice could be taught such restraint, and, in doing so, saw a decrease in inflammation caused by allergens. Yet intriguingly, when those scratching behaviors were allowed, the mice had a notable reduction in bacterial load, suggesting that in this dance of itch and inflammation, scratching might be playing the roles of both the villain and the hero. While scratching boosts our defense against certain pathogens, it's also a major player in worsening chronic skin conditions like dermatitis. This highlights the fine line between harm and help that scratching straddles, depending on the context. The challenges remain in understanding how best to balance this double-edged role of scratching. One conundrum is tackling how to exploit scratching's bacterial benefits without worsening chronic skin conditions. Opportunities are ripe for developing therapies that decouple inflammation from pathogen defense, sort of like keeping the fortress sturdy without setting it on fire. Looking forward, this research could change the future of dermatological treatments. Imagine new itch relief creams not only calming inflammation but strategically allowing beneficial scratching to ramp up defenses against microbes. Talk about a skincare regime that scratches beneath the surface. So, next time your hand reflexively heads for that itch, just remember, your body's small-scale scratching spree might be a fight or flight, rallying the troops to defend against invaders while inadvertently waving the white flag of inflammation. It's a classic case of good itch/bad itch.